Hi, I'm Gadi Saroni. I'm the CEO at Advara. I'm also the Vice Chairperson at ACRO. Clinical Trials Day represents hope, appreciation, and an opportunity to do better, because clinical trials do give hope to every participant, every patient, family, loved ones. I think we can all do better as an industry from the perspective of inclusion, alleviating some of the burden on the participants, connecting the clinical trial ecosystem in such a way that it's easier for participants, for researchers, for the sponsors to work together. Those are all areas that still need to get better. To me, clinical trials are phenomenal and a cause that's worth celebrating.
International Clinical Trials Day is about the people behind medical progress, patients, researchers, and care teams who make innovation possible every day. It's also a moment to recognize how data, technology, and AI are shaping clinical research and helping making trials more accessible and inclusive. At Oracle Health and Life Sciences, we're proud to support this work and the development of new treatments for patients worldwide.
Clinical Trials Day is a moment to recognize what truly moves medicine forward: the people. Every day, researchers, sites, sponsors, and partners come together with one shared purpose, and that's to bring better options to patients and families who are waiting. And at WCG, we are so proud to stand alongside this community and to support what makes research more ethical, more efficient, and more human. Thank you for making the impact you do, today and every day.
Hello, I'm Karen Kosick, President of Patient and Advisory Services and Chief Medical Officer at PPD, the clinical research business of Thermo Fisher Scientific. For me, Clinical Trials Day is an important reminder that progress in medicine isn't accidental. It's built through partnerships across a multitude of stakeholders. It's built on scientific rigor, and it's built on the generosity of patients and families who choose to participate in clinical research. The day highlights our shared purpose of advancing discoveries at the bench into evidence that can bring new medicines to market, evolving standards of care, and improving lives. Maybe most importantly, on Clinical Trials Day, we celebrate patients as partners, an ongoing opportunity for patients to access novel therapies and be active participants and partners with us in clinical research and drug development.
Hi, I'm Cindy Verst, President of Design and Delivery Innovation at IQVIA. International Clinical Trials Day is a reminder of why our work is so meaningful. This day represents the global collaboration, scientific rigor, and commitment to patients that advances clinical development research. Each and every trial reflects thousands of decisions by investigators, sponsors, regulators, and partners, focused on generating robust evidence we can trust. For me, it's about honoring that responsibility and continuing to push the boundaries of clinical development research via AI innovation to deliver treatments and cures to patients faster.
Happy International Clinical Trials Day, everyone. Clinical trials are the conduit between scientific discovery and patient impact. And Clinical Trials Day is a great chance to celebrate all the incredible work that goes into advancing treatments to patients. But it's also a chance for us to take a yearly benchmark, to examine the work we're doing and ask, is the work that we're doing materially improving how trials are designed and run? And to drive forward work that lets you emphatically answer yes.
International Clinical Trials Day is an opportunity to thank the people at the heart of clinical research, the patients who participate, and the dedicated sites and trial teams who guide every step of a study with precision, care, and integrity. I am so proud to be part of the Association of Clinical Research Organizations, or ACRO, community, as a member of its board of directors and with Par Excel as one of the founding member organizations. Together, we're driving greater access and innovation in clinical research, and there has never been a more exciting time. In 2025 alone, ACRO members conducted or participated in more than 7,600 studies involving over 1.4 million patients worldwide. These collective efforts help accelerate the development of new therapies and make clinical trials available to more patients around the world. Finally, as we celebrate this important day, I want to say thank you to my global Parexel team and to everyone who supports and participates in clinical research. Thank you for making what we do for patients possible every day and for doing it all with heart. Happy International Clinical Trials Day.
Like most of us, I know many people who've been affected by cancer and other serious diseases. By contributing to the development of innovative medicines, we're all helping turn ideas into real treatments. So our work really matters, and that's why this day is important to me, and I hope it is to all of us.
Hi, I'm Katherine Gregor, Chief Clinical Trial Officer at Florence Healthcare. For me, Clinical Trials Day is a time to stop and give thanks to the thousands of faces it takes to make a difference in the lives of patients. From the patients themselves who donate their time, to the clinical teams who take care of them, the data and regulatory managers who work behind the scenes, and everybody else in this amazing industry, thank you for your time, thank you for your commitment, and thank you for moving hope forward.